Hello everybody, how are you doing? It is getting a little brisk here up in the mountains on the east coast of the Americas, up north. How are you doing? Well, we are coming to the last week of July. Yes, my friends, the last week of July. For some of you, you're getting ready for the fall. Others of you are getting ready for the summer. But I want to ask you, when was the last time that you were told by someone that they don't have enough time? And when was the last time you told somebody you don't have enough time? See, the ironic thing about time is that, and I had this discussion the other day, whether you're on the East Coast, West Coast, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, near closer towards the North Pole, but closer towards the South Pole. What is something that we all have that is the same? Time. Time. Last time I checked, we all have 24 hours in a day. And we all have 86,000 seconds in a day. And if you think about it, you can divvy up that time into 4 quadrants. Now, I'm not a math major, never have, never will be, but I do my research. And most of you, from conversations and experience, say that you have difficulty getting up to 8 hours of sleep. So, let's look at this equation, if you will, in 2 quadrants, like a clock. That's the best analogy. Analog clock, ladies and gentlemen, the one that has the face on the watch that actually has the numbers. You've got 12, 3, 6, and 9, okay? If you were to create your own world and really envision and apply and master how you utilize that time, you will be able to be successful in any and everything that you want to achieve, to do, to master, and to live the dream life. Again, we all have 24 hours in one single day. So if you break up your day, you will be amazed how you can free up your time, utilize your time, and make time beneficial to you. Well, I'm already hearing the whispers and the talk. Andrea, I work 10 hours a day. Andrea, I work 8 hours a day. There's a 2-hour commute on each end, whether driving. Some of you use public means of transportation. And let's be honest, some of you are nowadays working remotely. I want you to do me a favor and comment down below how you are utilizing your 24-hour day. Be honest. Be honest. Because in order to be successful, you must be honest not only with your audience, your colleagues, your coworkers, and your boss, but most importantly, yourself. Now, a little backstory. I've worked in industries of social work and psychology. I've worked 8 to 12-hour shifts, not including commute, not including lunch break if I chose consciously to take one or work right through my lunch. I've worked shift work where I've done double shifts, 16-hour days, 20-hour days. I've been unemployed. I've been able to work voluntarily. I've been able to work part-time. I've been able to work pro bono. I've been able to work per diem. But I have been able to figure out and master how to effectively utilize those 24 hours in a day that will benefit all. My family, my colleagues, my collaboratives, my candidates, my audience, and most importantly, myself, my mental health, physical health, spiritual health, and personal self-love, health, taking care of you. Don't believe me? Check out my website. Listen to my videos. Learn about my story. Learn about what I have to say on podcasts, interview, TV, radio, and on social media. It took me some time to apply self-discipline, application, mastery, now coaching. We all have 24 hours in the day. You've heard this before, the cliche. It's how you are utilizing your time. Are you being busy or are you being productive? Think about it. Be honest. And connect with me. To work smarter, not harder, and buy back freedom, happiness, leisure, luxury, most importantly, your mental health. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. For someone's always listening, someone's watching. If you're new to the channel, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell for upcoming events, announcements, as well as videos, bringing you daily content every single day, reminding you, take the pen in your hand, begin writing your story, and remember to choose to press play. Plan life according to you. I'll see you in the next video. Be well.